In this video we're going to delve a little further into standard web parts for SharePoint 2010. So a standard web part is a class that you create that inherits from the ASP.NET WebPart base class. And typically what you will do is you will override the createChildControls method to add your own ASP.NET controls to the web part, such as text boxes, checkboxes and so forth. You can also use the render method, but typically you can achieve most of what you need in createChildControls. So here's a standard web part example, and you'll see this in the next demo, but very briefly we've overridden the createChildControls method and we've started interacting with SharePoint. So for example, we've instantiated an object variable called thisWeb, and in our code, actually within the try block, we set it equal to the current web via spcontext.current.web. But we also have date time controls and list view by query controls, and we can manipulate their properties and call their methods as we see fit inside createChildControls. We'll delve into the details of this code in the next demo, as I say, but just for now, note how we, about a third of the way down, we have this.controls.add for our datetime control. Very similarly, down near the bottom, we have this.controls.add for a new literal control and for our list view by query control called myCustomView. A very important thing to note is that we've called the dispose method of the thisWeb object, and that's critical. Whenever you use an SP web or an SP site, you should ensure that you dispose of it explicitly or via a using block, because what that actually does is ensures that the COM object that's underneath is actually destroyed properly when we no longer need a reference to it. Here's our date changed method for our datetime control, and what we're doing is we're modifying the properties of the myCustomView query. So we've got some very simple CAML or collaborative application markup language where we're effectively filtering the tasks list by the selected date. And this is what it looks like in the UI, and we'll delve into this in the next demo to see this in action. But the user can select a date from the datetime control and it will filter the tasks that are due on or before that selected date.